WhatsApp has made another update that will blow your mind. Hello everyone, this is Ahinsko and I welcome you back once again to Ahinsko Solutech. Over here what we do is we teach how to make money online, and then we also teach tech techniques and then tricks. In general, this channel is all about IT. If this is your first time being on this channel, kindly smash that subscribe button and then turn on the bell notification. And if you're old here, thanks for coming back. In today's video, I'll be showing you another new update that WhatsApp has made, which will blow your mind. So without further ado, let's dive into the video starting right now. Now when you open your WhatsApp, just come to this three dotted lines here and let me show you something. Go to settings. Right on the right side, you see some drop down arrow here. Just click it down here. Click it down here. You will see your WhatsApp number and then the name that you've registered with that number. And then you will see add account. So this is what it does. You use different WhatsApp accounts on this same WhatsApp without downloading different WhatsApp. Yes, without downloading this different WhatsApp. So let me just register new account or log into my new account that I'm having on this same WhatsApp and see if it will work. So let me click on add account here. Alright, so when you click on add account, it will take you to new interface like this as you registering new WhatsApp account. So let's click on agree and continue here. Now enter the number here and then press on next. Yes. Alright, now WhatsApp will send me a code. That SIM that I'm using or registering the number with is not here. It is my new SIM. So I will just take my new phone and then enter the code that WhatsApp has sent. So it is 48439 here. And then verify. You can see verification complete. Alright, it is looking for updates. I haven't made any updates, so I'll just skip this part. So skip. Let me enter any name. Let me enter any name here. Now I can see add an account. Please wait a moment. So just wait for it to initialize and then let's see what happens. The magic that happens. Alright, and boom, we are in. Our number has been successfully registered on this same number. Now let's go back to where we started and let me show you another thing here. Just click on this three dotted line here. Go to switch accounts. Now at first you will be seeing settings without seeing any switch account. So you can switch between many accounts. Now we are going to log in back to our old account. Boom. This is amazing, bro. This is amazing. So you can add multiple accounts here by following the steps we just used here. Just go to settings, click on the drop down menu, click on add account. If you want to switch between your accounts, just click on switch. On this same WhatsApp that we use, you haven't downloaded any new WhatsApp. On this same WhatsApp. Yes, you haven't downloaded any new WhatsApp. So you can use like 3 to 4 WhatsApp accounts on this same or on one WhatsApp here. But take note, I am using for this video I'm using WhatsApp Messenger. I don't know if it works on GB WhatsApp, business WhatsApp and others, but for the WhatsApp Messenger it works perfectly on it. I don't think it works on business WhatsApp. Yes, I don't think it works on business, but let me check whether it works or not. Alright, so let me check on WhatsApp business and see if it works. Click on the three dotted lines here. You go to settings and then the drop. Oh, unfortunately it is not working on business WhatsApp. So I think it works only on WhatsApp Messenger. It works only on WhatsApp Messenger. Just go to settings, click on the drop down menu here. You just add your account and then you are good to go. So this is amazing. This is amazing, man. This is amazing. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, kindly give us a thumbs up and then share for others to enjoy. Follow Ahinsko Solutech on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and then on Twitter. It's Ahinsko here, and I'm out. Bye for now.